Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 2005 C6 Corvette LS2 engine for sale. Go ahead and start it up here. This car has 37,000 miles on it.
Right turn signal.
This is the 400 horsepower LS2 engine. It's currently mated up to an automatic transmission. This engine is in top shape with no knocks or ticks or leaks. Go ahead and rev it up. This engine will make an excellent replacement for your Corvette or a great starting point for your hot rod or retro rod. If you have any questions, give us a call at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.